Hi guys, this is update for my nano tank, rebuilding of nano reef tank. This is the sump that I custom build. The design concept is came from a Ruby. As you can see, there's 3 chambers. One the intake, the refugium, and the last the return area. Use 3 baffles. I will put some Cheeto and Librox, or maybe a deep sunbed and some Cheetos here. A filter sponge and some carbon, activated carbon, or maybe some reactors that can fit here. First chamber will be the protein skimmer, some filter sock to get some small particles. Tomorrow will be a leak test for this sump. This is a 10-gallon sump. Waiting for this to be running in this nano tank. Maybe next week I will drill this tank using a 1-inch hole with 1-inch PVC pipes for drain, then make some adjustments for its return line. So that's it. I will be posting some more videos this update. Thanks for watching.